Hey Escambia County teachers! Join us for a Byte of Tech with the student data team as we start our investigation into gradebook reports, the case of the missing grades. Since grades are missing, teachers can no longer utilize that Use Gradebook button that's so helpful when posting final grades. They also don't get an accurate representation of the true student averages, which help inform instruction. Most importantly, parents and students do not see that complete reflection of learning progress. Things like weighted categories can easily increase or decrease a student's grade significantly. When it's time to post final grades, teachers have the ability to use this Use Gradebook button. However, if any student in that course has an incomplete gradebook, the teacher will receive the error that the ungraded or incomplete assignments in the gradebook need to be resolved first. So, to save that headache before posting time, let's take a look at our gradebook reports. We'll click on the Reports icon, then click on Grades, and click on the Gradebook Reports dropdown. From these gradebook reports, we're going to look for the missing grades report. Here we see the list of all students who have at least one ungraded assignment in their gradebook. We see the column for student, assignment, the point value for that assignment, as well as a box to fill in any comments, and the assign and due date for that assignment. In the points column, you can enter that numerical value and press enter to quickly save and move on to the next student. You're also able to go in here and type a point without clicking enter, and you can enter a comment if you'd like to for specific students to provide more information and feedback for the parent and student to see. Once your comment is entered, you click OK, and it'll now show up in your comment box. When you're done entering a grade and comment for that student, click Save to save that grade and remove that student from your missing grades report. Currently, we're only viewing students from that English 2 section listed in the top right. But if you'd like to show students from all of your courses to get this done at one time, click Show All Courses, and you can also include inactive students if need be. As a reminder, before updating missing grades, check the grading legend. Some of the grades are not for gradebook use. However, if a student hasn't turned in or completed an assignment and that's why they have a missing grade, you can use that M to show makeup work. This will allow for accurate gradebook calculations. Once all grades are entered and each student is removed from that report, you'll have completed your missing grades report and have the most up-to-date gradebook to show the true reflection of learning progress. And that's a Byte of Tech. Thanks for watching and helping us solve the case of the missing grades. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new content.